version of me is DOOGEE S98, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS Launcher on this DOOGEE. Firstly, access Play Store and click on the search bar. Now you need to type in iOS Launcher and install this app from this developer. When it's ready, select Open and wait for the pop-ups to show. When they do, you need to select Allow and Allow while using in all of them. Then select Home button. Now access Devices Settings and click on Apps over here. Following that, choose Default Apps and click on Home app. Now apply iOS Launcher by clicking on it and choosing OK. Then tap on Got it, and as you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my DOOGEE smartphone. But you can always switch between your layouts by going into Settings again, choosing Apps, Default Apps and Home app. Now click on Quick Step or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!